Alright guys, so today we're doing a review of this Kirkland corn chip dippers with sea salt. These were on sale at Costco, and it's a pretty big bag actually. This was like maybe $8-10, so it's super. The bag is quite heavy, so here's the nutrient panel, here's the ingredients, and let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and we'll grab one here. Actually quite good. They're shaped like the dippers, but you don't really need to dip it on anything. It actually has quite a bit of flavor. You can taste the salt comes through. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. Quick question, comments, plus subscribe channel.